Sa variation of parameters naman, okay. So, ito yung mga formulas. Doon na tayo kagad sa example. First example, y double prime minus 4y prime plus 4y is equals to x plus 1 times e raised to 2x. Dito muna tayo sa yc. So, m squared minus 4m plus 4. Yan. Palitan lang natin ng m tong mga to. Then, kunin natin yung exponent kung ilang derivative. So, m squared minus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. So, kunin natin yung roots. Pwede nyo ding i-calculate to. So, makuha nyo is m is equals to 2. m1 is equals to 2. m2 is equals to 2. So, ang yc natin is c1 e raised to m, c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 2x ulit. Since pares na silang e raised to 2x, dapat mag-multiply tayo ng x dito sa second term. Kaya magiging c2x e raised to 2x. So, ang y1 natin is e raised to 2x. So, first derivative, magiging 2e raised to 2x. Kasi 2x, magiging 2, then copy. Then, y2 naman is x e raised to 2x. u dv v du. V na lang. V du plus u dv. V natin is e2x times du is 1. So, e2x plus u dv x u dv natin is 2 times e raised to 2x. So, y prime 2 natin is e2x plus 2x e raised to 2x. Then, using yung formula ng pagkuha ng w, ito, substitute lang natin. Kaya, yan, y1, e2x, e squared x, y prime 1, 2e2x, y2, x e squared x, and y prime 2, ito. Then, pag-cross lang natin ito, and then, ima-minus natin siya dito. Kaya, e squared x times e squared x, magiging e for x, e squared x plus times 2x e squared x, magiging 2x e for x. Then, minus 2e2x times x e2x, magiging 2x e raised to 4x, kaya makakancel. Ang matitira is e raised to 4x. Then, next, kunin natin yung f of x natin, which is ito, yung yp, x plus 1 e raised to 2x. Then, yung formula naman dyan is ito. So, 0, f of x, which is yan. Then, yung y2 natin, x e squared x, and over y prime 2, yan. Then, yan ulit, cross, then cross. So, 0 times e squared x plus 2xe, magiging 0. So, ito lang, minus x plus 1 e raised to 2x times xe raised to 2x equals, simplify, makukuha natin yung negative x squared e raised to 4x minus xe 4x. Next is kunin natin yung w2. Ito yung formula. y1 naman and y prime 1, 0 fx. Ganun ulit. Ganun. So, minus. Cancel na to. So, ito na lang. E squared x times x plus 1 e squared x. Makuha natin to. And then, kunin natin yung u prime 1. So, w1 over w. Yan. So, makakancel. Ito. So, ito ilabas lang natin yung e raised to 4x nilang parehas. So, ang matitira na lang is negative x squared minus x. Then, kakancel natin yung same na yan, kaya matitira ito. So, yun yung u prime 1. Para makuha natin yung u1 lang, i-integrate natin siya. So, integrate natin yung negative x squared minus x equals negative x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2. Then, sa u prime 2 naman, w2 over w. Makuha natin yung x plus 1. Para makuha yung u2, integrate yung u prime 2, makukuha natin yung x squared over 2 plus x. Then, ang formula ng yp, u1 times x, y1, wala pala yung mga x, basta u1, y1 plus u2, y2. So, u1 is negative x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2. Yung y1 natin is e2x, e squared x, plus u2, y2. Yan. Then, simplify natin. I-distribute. Then, ito rin. Distribute. Then, simplify like terms. Yung mga magkakaparehas. Magka-come up tayo sa 1 over 6 x cubed e raised to 3x plus 1 half x squared e raised to 2x. Then, y, yan na yung yp natin. Then, sa general solution, kunin lang natin yung yc natin, which is ito. c1 e raised to 2x plus c2x e raised to 2x plus yp. Yan na yung sagot.